Welcome back to Incredible Science, everybody. Today I have something super cool to show you. Incredible to show you, actually. This right here is my giant Newton's cradle, but I'm gonna show it to you in a much different way than you've ever seen. I don't know if you've ever seen a light up Newton's cradle, but we're gonna make one and I'm gonna show you how to make one. This little light changes everything. These are little lights you put in party balloons or anywhere you want. We made Orby balloon balls with it and we put these lights in it to light up the balloons. But now we're gonna be attaching them to these Newton's cradle balls right here. So I have 5 of them on. I just used some hot glue to attach them. They come off sometimes. I had to reattach them in testing, but you see they're pretty sturdy. They're all lit up. There's no way to shut it off because I hot glued the back onto it. Now, you've all seen the Newton's cradles tricks with the lights on, but we're about to shut the lights and it's going to look amazing. I'm going to do every single Newton's cradle trick possible. Let me know which trick was your favorite trick, and breaking news, I am on TikTok. So I actually did this video on TikTok. The only thing is on TikTok, you have to film with your phone vertically, so I can't use that footage for YouTube, otherwise you'll have those horrible black bars. So we are filming with the regular camera now. I had to show this to you guys. It's so cool. Let's get the lights off and let's see what it looks like. Alright guys, I hope you like this light up Newton's cradle. Thank you so much for watching. New videos coming up real soon. I am not going to wait that long until the next upload. Go check out my TikTok. I'll put the link below. And don't forget, stay incredible. Peace.